What's going on, guys? Welcome back. I got another trade for you. Check it out. What's going on, guys? Let's get into this video. And yes, I know, random video, right? Well, you know I do these recaps whenever I want. I don't do them every single day anymore. I just do them whenever I feel like it. Why? Because I can. I don't have to be on YouTube to make money. So I just do this for fun. So join me and let's jump into this video here. I'm going to show you this trade from today. Two trades, both to the long side, and it was a pretty good day. Let's go ahead and jump into this chart as we do. Today is the last day to save 90% off with Apex. So there's a link in the description and comment section with my coupon code. Utilize that coupon code. You're going to get 90% off on your evaluation account. All right, that ends today. So make sure to take advantage of it. Today is the 10th of August, and it's the last day to save that 90%. Let's go ahead and jump into this. And as we do, remember, you can check out all my courses down there. Futures course, day trading course, options course, shorting course, swing trading course. All the courses are there. You can actually get them individually now. Unlike before, where it was just one package, well, you could still purchase the package or you could just purchase them individually. Now, let's go ahead and scroll back. You can see this chart is still live. You can see the price action here. We're sitting at 45.02 after that 4,500 bounce zone. So we're going to scroll back here and we're going to go over the very first trade here this morning. All right. So we're going to go over the very first trade here this morning. Right here, you could see this plain as day, 9:33 a.m., very early for me, but the market looks squeezy. Initial thought process this morning was an initial knee-jerk reaction to the upside followed by a midday sell-off. We're seeing that midday sell-off. Now, I have traded the midday sell-off in an evaluation account today here because I'm trying to get them up there to have like about 10 of them. But yes. So I have traded the midday sell-off a little bit, just small scalps though. Haven't been able to nail one of the larger plays there. I think the most I've gotten is about 5 points on one of the plays. Anyways, this morning I felt like a little squeezy here as we were testing and bouncing off this previous support zone. I'll put this little cursor here and you can see bounce zone here, then resistance, then big bounce there, right? We came down into it and we bounced off of it. Right here, 41.16, 41.1575. What were my fills? 45.1625 were my fills. And we squeezed all the way to 45.20. And I was watching the orders coming through and I said, we're going to break 45.20. So right here, I added 45.2025. And let's move it forward. You could see right here, I took another ad at 45.23 zone because I said if we break through here, we're going to push right to 45.30 zone. And then I instantly started taking profits. So remember, we're long from 45.1625, taking profits off 45.2425, 45.25. And my best take was right up here, 45.26 on that one play. All out there, done with that one. Now let's fast forward a little bit. We get a little pullback. See that little pullback? We got that nice little pullback, which actually coincided with a pullback on the SPY into VWAP. All right. And when we got that pullback here, I immediately said, all right, time to get long. Very slow, very small risk. I'm risking about 3 points and change because my stop was going to be right underneath this 20 zone. And we're up here at 23 long. All right, so I'm up here long at 23, and look at this pop. I add right here at 24.50, and look at that pop. Bang, 28.50, bang, 45.31. Guys, 45.31 from 45.23. That's one nice play, and then that was it. I did not partake in any more trades there. So that was really a really nice clean trade. Now, this one here was more of an anticipated breakout trade. I felt it was very low risk. I could see the flow coming through and it looked like we should squeeze, okay? And it worked out beautifully. This one right here was one more of my traditional type of pullback plays into support. We pulled back into support. We immediately bounced off that level. We were testing and bouncing off of the VWAP on the SPY at the same time. I was like, this is picture perfect. I'm going to go ahead and get long here, which I did. I got long here at 23 and I added at 24 and then just bang, two take profits here, 28 50 and 31. That's a no-brainer trade. And that's it, guys. I scalped here in an actual evaluation account. I scalped here this downward trend and did fairly well. I'll show it to you over to that account. So on that account, I was actually copy trading it with the previous one. So I took this same trade there. And then here I got short and immediately stopped out at break even. I re-entered short here at 29, just 4 contracts, and covered them here at 27, just 4 of them. So anyways, nice little trade here to the downside on that last little piece. And now we're still going lower here. This thing is just selling off so strong. It's crazy. I'll go ahead and show you my statistics on the day. So what is that? $9,100 and change, $9,100 and change after commissions and such. You got 83% accuracy on the day. Max drawdown was $36. You got, what is this, 83% accuracy, 16% on break even. Just a good overall trading session there with those 2 long setups that I went after. You can't eat, what else is there to say? I mean, the stats are there. It is what it is. There's no losses on the morning there on that account at all. Had no L's today. So really happy with the day's action. I think that we probably have a shot at selling off some more later this week. Well, later this week, nothing. Tomorrow's Friday already. So it's going to be interesting to see how we close. I'm looking at the SPY here, a little bit of a bear flag formation on the daily. If we close back inside this bear flag, the pattern is intact. We did break out and over it today, but we are right now in the middle of that zone. So, you know, it just all depends what today closes like, what tomorrow looks like. We could see the SPY get down to that 50-day moving average, which lies right around, what is that, $442.50 or so, something like that, 40 cents and change. So I think we could get down there. I think that's a very feasible possibility. So we'll see what next week looks like. And it's exciting times. I think this latter half of the year, we're going to have excellent volatility with great trading opportunity. And I'm looking forward to it, guys. Any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Remember to smash that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I'll catch you on another one. Peace.